What's up, guys? Garrett here with Self.dev. I just want to do another little update like I always do. Finished project number 7 on Team Treehouse, the JavaScript full stack web developer thing. Built a little site with Express and node.js, and then used Pug to template the website. And got to play around with routes again, which kind of knew a little bit about that from when I messed around with Flask and Python. But getting to kind of go over that again and drill down on it more was helpful, I think. But it's basically like a portfolio site that shows the JavaScript projects I've done. So get to throw a portfolio site up on my portfolio because I've already got a portfolio, so don't need another one, whatever. And then I made a post on Fiverr, so I'm gonna start trying to find sites to build on there just to get more projects and more experience done. And then I can say I have some work related experience after I get a Fiverr job done, even though they only pay me $5, but whatever, it's experience. I think that's about it for today, actually. I'm gonna apply for all the jobs on Indeed, LinkedIn, Dice, and AngelList from the past 2 weeks because I haven't applied for jobs in a while. I'm going to, what else am I gonna do? Get to project number 8 on Team Treehouse, so watch all the videos. I think there's only 2 or 3 hours I need to watch, and then I'll be on project 8. It's building a website with Gulp. They asked about that in my first interview, and I didn't know anything about Gulp. So now if they ask, I'll know stuff about it. What else? I got my little whiteboard over here. You can see it right there with all my stuff. Finish free code camp project number 3. That's on there for the week. And then if I do that, that's my goals for the week. I'll be done with everything for the week on Monday. Yeah, I think that's it. So if you need anything, hit me up in the comments. Yeah, I'll see you guys next week. Peace.